Today I'm going to show you how to create a basic website using Google Sites. Start by logging into your Google Drive. Then come over here to the 6 little boxes and click on Sites. You'll then click on Create and name your website. So if my site is possibly about leukemia, maybe I'm going to name it Leukemia. Okay? Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select a theme. So I'm just going to select a basic theme because I'm going to show you some ways that you can customize it. So I'm just going to choose this open sky theme. And then I click Create. And it's going to create my site for me. Then just some of the basics that you need are basically these 3 buttons up here. The first one that looks like a pencil is Edit. If I click on that, I'm going to be able to edit this page that I'm on. So I'm going to click on it and show you the editor. It looks very similar to if you were in like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, okay? So I can type text, okay? I can change the color, change the font, change the size, all of that, okay? I can hyperlink to another page, to another website by clicking on this link right here. So if I wanted to link this to another website, for example, I'm just going to do basic google.com just so you can see. Then if somebody clicked on this, then it would take them to that link. I can change the layout of this page. So I can make it 2 columns, 3 columns, all of these different layouts. I'll just choose this one so you can see what happens. So now there's 4 kind of different boxes I can work in. I can insert many different things. Videos, something from my Google Drive, a text box, a calendar, a chart, a map. There's all kinds of things that you can, add to your page that are straight from your Google account basically. There's a few formatting things you can work with here. You can insert tables, but some of the basics that you need are just that you can change the layout, you can change the font color, the text, you can insert images. Those are some of the basics that I think you will need for this project. Always have to remember that you save the page. It does save a draft as you go, but you always want to save the page just to make sure that you do not lose anything. Okay? Then this second button is Add a Page. So you can add a new page. So maybe on the home page I have some basics about leukemia, but then I want a page about symptoms or treatment. Okay, so I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to title this page Treatment. Then I click Create. Then you'll see it automatically creates a page and puts it over here on the left-hand side. Then again, I can change the layout, I can insert text, I can insert images, videos, whatever it is that I need. But I always have to remember to save the page. Okay? I can continue to add pages, I can go back to home, and I can edit that home page, and then come back to treatment, and I can edit the treatment page, okay? So those are some of the basics that you need. Now I'm going to get into some of the more detailed things, okay? Like customizing the background and all of that. So if I go to More, and I go to Manage Site, now this is the fun stuff that you want to do after you get all the content on your pages. So you want to do this at the very, very end, otherwise it kind of messes everything up. So make sure you get all the content on your pages, all the text, all the images, the videos, whatever it is that you need. Okay? Then you can come here and go to Themes, Colors, and Fonts, and this is where you can change the appearance of your site. So I can change the background color. So right now it's this kind of gray color. So if I wanted to change it, I'll choose this purple color, for example, okay? And I could even put a picture. I can change the text. So here I can change on the entire page, I can change the font of the text. So watch this, search this site, and it will change in a second. I can choose a different font here. Oops. Okay, so maybe I choose this Acme font. See how that changes? I can change the size. I can change the color. Okay, notice all of the text on the page just changed. Okay, change the link color, etc. I can change the site header. So see this background here? I have a picture already saved on my desktop that I got from this site called Color Lovers. It's COLOURLOVERS, and it has a ton of like header backgrounds. So if I change this, you will see how it changes. So now I have this background here, okay? Customized background. I can change the title. See how small leukemia is? I need to make that a little bigger. So I'm going to make that 36, and I'm going to change the color of that to white. I can even change the font if I want that font different than another one. So you can play around with kind of the content area and all of these other ones to see what they do, but they change kind of the different text in the different areas of your site. Okay, but remember, this is the custom stuff that you want to do at the very end, but it is kind of fun that you can customize your own site. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.